Hello guys, today I'm gonna make a video on how to fix a lag problem in PUBG Mobile. So first you have to download Z from the Google Play Store, then ES File Explorer. After downloading this both, click the link in the description. So guys, I'm downloading the link, so 0 seconds. Now get the link. I'll show you. It'll open in Google Drive, and this is the file's name. So after downloading it, you have to open in Z-Archiver. So this is the file in Z-Archiver. So you have to open it with the HTML viewer. After that, you have to select from sorry about that. You have to select the whole thing, copy it, then go back, cut it, open the archiver again, Android, data, then PUBG, then files, U4 game, shadow tracker, again shadow tracker, saved, not this one, Android, yeah. After that, you have to go to the last user custom.ini. So open that. Now this one you have to open with ES Note editor. Now you have to cut this whole till this one. So you don't cut the backup file profile. Just cut it and copy and paste the other one which we copied. So after that, after doing that, close all the tabs. Then just enter PUBG Mobile. Show you. So I am opening the PUBG Mobile. So let's see, will it work or not. You saw that my system is, yeah, I will show that now. I forgot to show that. I'll show you now. The system about your phone, device info. See, minus 2 GB RAM process. So PUBG will not work properly. So to do that, I did all the steps. Now we just have to open PUBG and wait for some time. Let's just open it. Yeah. So starting. Sorry about my voice. I don't know. I think I'm having a voice changing process. So my sound is a bit rough. Yeah. Yeah. So let's see. So I'll show you the proof. So the graphics settings, not sure. See, my graphics I've set to HD extreme. I'll put it at low and smooth. Then let me see how it works. So I have set it at low. Now let's start playing. As if for showing you all, just start a quick match. I'm like a beginner at PUBG. My phone was lagging so much, so I found this trick from another YouTuber. I will put a link in the description. Come on. Come on, come on. Sorry, but this part takes a bit of time. Yeah, so we are entering the match. So let's see. Yeah. So I think I have just landed area C. Mine was 2 GB RAM and still it's working. I'll show you guys my running speed. See. So it didn't lag. So it doesn't lag and the quality is good. See. I set it at lows but still it's working perfectly. So it's just 8 minutes I think and I will die fast. So I'll just make it quick. So guys, my name is ProBro360 from Bahrain, so you can just make me a friend if you want to. So let's see, I'm entering the play zone. A crate has just landed. So it has been working perfect till now. So I think it worked. Yeah. So we are entered the play zone. Now I just need to find some. I think there was some loot inside this thing. Yep, we just found ourselves. And there's an opponent this direction. So I have been knocked down. I don't know from where it came. So I think I'm dead now. Yep, I'm rank 6 position. So yep, I'm doing things, so it's not that good. It's not even good, I think. I can't do all. Maybe you guys are like pros. So that was it. So that was my game. That was my trick. And if you like the video, then click the like button and subscribe to my channel, so you'll get more videos from more videos of PUBG, more tricks and videos in PUBG. So this is my account over here, so you can just see all of them, and if you want you can make me a friend. So I think the video was useful to you all, and subscribe to my channel, and I am going to end this video, and bye.